How to adjust a Zama carburetor. Zama carburetors are found on many different types of two-cycle lawn tools, from string trimmers to leaf blowers and edgers. Typically, as engines begin to wear, a carburetor adjustment needs to be made. This delicate procedure, if not done correctly, can damage the engine and necessitate carburetor replacement. You will find 3 adjustment screws on the side of the carburetor. This procedure will take 10 minutes to complete. Things you'll need: flathead screwdriver. Set the engine on a hard, flat surface. Locate the carburetor on the side of the engine, directly under the air filter. On the side of the carburetor are 3 adjustment screws. There are stamped letters beside these screws: L for the low-speed adjustment screw, H for high-speed adjustment, and TOS for the idle adjustment. Gently turn the L and H adjustment screws clockwise until they seat with the flathead screwdriver. Turn the L and H counterclockwise 2 full turns. Turn the TOS adjustment screw in clockwise until it seats. Start the engine and allow to run for 2 to 3 minutes until the engine is at the operating temperature. Turn the L screw clockwise until the engine begins to slow, and then turn counterclockwise until the engine RPMs pick back up. Turn the TOS screw counterclockwise until the engine is at a steady, reliable speed. Repeat the L screw adjustment above to ensure proper engine speed. Advance the throttle to the fast position. Turn the H screw clockwise until the engine starts to slow, then turn counterclockwise until the engine speeds up and runs smoothly. Tips: warnings. Cleaning the debris off the carburetor before following this procedure will help you see the stamped markings on the side of the carburetor. Do not over-tighten the adjustment screws to avoid damage. Do not over-adjust the mixture to avoid damage to the engine's internal parts.